Good morning, everyone. It is 8th of September and it is a Saturday. And yesterday, I completely forgot that I had to film my entire trip. But I'm currently in Washington, D.C. to visit some family friends, and I'm gonna spend the entire long weekend here because it's Rosh Hashanah right now and we don't have school on Monday. Yesterday was not a really nice opportunity for me to film because, okay, the day started with me having class, and then once my class ended, I came to my dorm to take a shower and to wash my hair because I wanted to be clean for traveling. And then, right when I was soaping up my hair, the entire line of the apartments that I live in, just the water stopped working for an emergency. So I had to go knock on my neighbors to take a shower there. So that's the beginning. And then I got onto the bus. I took the mega bus, which was really cheap and very comfortable. So if anybody lives in the US and has an opportunity to take it, I recommend. Sorry, I'm just super sleepy. I just woke up. And then I got here at like 1 o'clock in the morning. And I'm just really happy that I got to sleep in this lovely, lovely big bed. That's the scoop. And that's the beginning of my weekend vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay. Until when can you see here or up higher?
Lower.
Can you see my jeans?
No, it's just right here.
Okay.
I think you're fine.
Okay. Okay, gotcha.
Can't see your book.
Okay. Hi, my name is Nikki, BLUEBERRY Nikki, if you look at my channel name. And if you don't remember how I look like, because I'm terrible at posting regularly, this is my face and this is how I look. I'm very sorry that I've been MIA for the past 2 weeks, and it's just, I have this, I'm collaborating with a person, right, on this thing, so I'm not just doing it myself. I was just talking to this person, and he's a very dear friend of mine, so like it's not, it's not somebody who I technically owe anything to, but it's still somebody that I feel a kind of sense of obligation to. And we were just talking about how I should be filming my everyday life, and then I kept constantly thinking about it and trying to remind myself to film, and then I got so anxious about not filming enough that I just deleted everything because I'm a dumbass. And then when I was just like, what am I gonna send him? What am I gonna do? Like, how am I going to work all of this out? If I'm feeling anxious, then I should probably talk about anxiety. And I wrote this list. It was something that my mom and I would talk about back when I lived in Spain, that I need to have a set list of like self-care, mental health tips, things when I'm here, of the things that I could think about or do when I'm feeling anxious or overwhelmed or like tired or any of that. And I have my previous notebook. It's not even the notebook that it's not even the notebook that I'm using right now, but I took it with me just because I had it. And I'm just gonna go through a bunch of them. I think I have like 25, if not more here. You can take whichever one you want as advice or as suggestions, because especially living in New York City, to me, it's been much more overwhelming than I'd like to admit, even though it's like my favorite city in the world. And I'm doing the thing that I'm most in love with, and I'm doing something that I'm passionate about, and I'm so lucky and I'm so grateful that I'm here and doing these things. But at the same time, I get very overwhelmed easily by the amount of things I have to do, the amount of things I need to do, the amount of things I should be doing but I'm not doing. And it's just like, it's this shame spiral that you get into deeper and deeper, and you need to be able to get out of it. I need to be able to get out of it. I need to follow my own advice, and I need to do the things that I recommend myself. I'm just gonna go through them. You guys, whichever one you prefer, you can do that. I was just showing your picture to this little Caleb here. And Maya, what did you say?
I think your hair's just so cute.
Aw. And we love you. And maybe you're gonna see us soon. Say hi.
Hi.
So my number one is, no matter how weird it sounds, take a shower and wash your hair. So I have pretty long hair. I mean, not anymore because I chopped it all off yesterday. I don't really wash my hair. I mean, I wash it every 5 days, something like that, because it's just unnecessary to wash it every day. And it's healthier for your hair not to wash it that often, so I don't wash it that much. And sometimes when I'm like, why am I feeling so dirty? Why am I feeling so useless? I'm like, I need to clean myself properly, fully cleansed. So wash your hair. Then another one is drink tea. Tea really calms me down. I have this sleepy time peppermint tea that is, even the word sleepy time makes me sleepy, but I have this sleepy time tea that makes me very calm and soothed, and it's peppermint, and it makes me happy, and it makes me think of Christmas. And as a Jew, I have a slightly unhealthy obsession with Christmas, but oh well. Along the lines of taking showers, change your bed sheets. You don't understand how it, I mean, I must change my bed sheets at least once a week. That's the longest I can go without changing them because I just feel dirty, even though I don't go to bed, like I take showers. I promise I take showers, but changing your bed sheets is very nice. So that's another tip. Read a mystery novel. It's more for me, but novels that have a mystery hook, to me, it's something that is like, I don't have to think about anything else but the question, but the suspense of the actual book that I'm reading right now. And I love Sherlock Holmes series, I love Agatha Christie, I love Eunice Boo, I love a lot of Norwegian and Swedish, which you probably never heard about. But if anyone's curious, I could do a video on my favorite books. But yeah, that's something to consider too. Something that takes your mind off of things in an intellectual way, because we could all watch Kardashians and then just destroy our brains, but might as well do something highly intellectual that distracts you and makes you feel better and makes you happier. Go for a walk. Who's stopping you from going for a walk? If you're in the city, just go for a walk, take your headphones out, and listen to the things that are happening around you. That is very cool and very useful because sometimes we get too into our heads and then we're like, whoa, what is happening around me? And then journaling. I love journaling. Like I finish my journals pretty quickly, but I mean, I have pictures and I have lists and I have drawings and a bunch of different things and Polaroids of, these are three of my closest friends back from Spain, so I have Polaroid of them, and I don't know, it's just pretty cool. And just journaling and being able to look back at your journal, it helps you, and it helps you get out of your head again, because it's all in our head, and self-care is needed to get out of here into here. So yeah, journaling might help. I've been journaling almost every day for the past couple of years, and it's a very good coping mechanism. Then, I mean, sleep. You know how, okay, so many of my friends here in New York just kill themselves with the amount of work that they do, and they don't sleep enough. And I do it myself, and my roommate is right here, and she doesn't do it either. And it's awful because our bodies recuperate when we're sleeping. Why wouldn't you do something that is free and available to help you feel better if you have the means to do it, you know? I need to follow my own advice on that one too. Also, I have really cute PJs, and I just wanted you guys to see that.
Look, makes the phone us.
Cough, yeah, a lot of coughing.
One way, right?
One way, yeah. This is, it'll probably last about 3 to 4 days.
Pretty good.
Ladies, hey. You gotta start. I have so many. Write a gratitude list. Go to a park. Go to a cafe and write in your journal and listen to the people around you. Go to a stationery shop and buy some stationery. Go to a bookstore and read the backs of the books and make fun of them with your friends. Hang out with your friends. There are so many different things to do that I don't follow, and I mean, I have to be honest, I did not anticipate to feel this scared here. Maybe not even scared, but just overwhelmed and tired, and so many things are happening in my life that I'm so excited about, and I have so many people who love me and who I love and who care for me and who I care for, but it's just sometimes you can't help but feel really lonely, especially in a city as New York. And I don't think people really talk about it enough. Everybody talks about how wonderful it is to be here. And it is a dream come true. It's the best city in the world, but I miss my family deeply. I miss my sister more than anything in the world. I mean, a very good friend of mine lives in Colorado, then my best friend lives in Texas, then my sister is literally in another continent, and then my grandparents are in a different country, and my mom and sister are and it's just, I'm so far away from everyone that it doesn't feel like like I have people, but it's not true. I have people everywhere, you know? I just wanted to say that to people who are in college and who are feeling anxious, you're not alone. You are not alone. Everyone around you feels exactly the same. Everyone around you is just as scared, just as lonely, and just as terrified to be alone. I don't think a lot of people remember that, and I don't think a lot of people know that. Register it in their brains that they're not lonely. Yeah, it started out as a list of things to do when you're anxious, and it ended up me ranting about New York. But I just feel like if I was watching somebody talk about it right now, I would feel better, because there's so much power in not being alone. And no matter how much I'd love to pretend that I'm a martyr and I can endure anything in the world and I can do whatever, and I still do enjoy having people to connect with, and I have wonderful friends here that I've already met that I can connect with, and I don't know. Yawn number 6 in the video? I don't know. I don't really know. I have a lot of thoughts and a lot of feelings, and I decided to pour it out into a video, and I don't know if it's even gonna make the video and if it's enough, but... And I'm actually gonna go and buy myself a new journal, because I am running out of my current one. So that's gonna be my coping mechanism for today, and going and seeing a stupid movie with a friend of mine. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if you're interested in hearing another crazy rant from me about college and New York and living in the city. And don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and please tell your friends if you know that there's somebody struggling and if you know that there's somebody who's feeling alone. I'm here, and I'm gonna leave some hotlines in the down bar below. There are text lines online which if you don't feel comfortable talking about it out loud, you can text people, and then try to reach out to a friend, to a family, whoever you want. It's all there are resources out there, I promise, and you are not alone. So yeah, thank you for watching, and bye.